Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to check out a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 800 square foot apartment in downtown Seattle. This apartment is in one of my favorite neighborhoods and is right by the Space Needle and the Puget Sound. It costs $2,200 per month, which is actually pretty cheap for the area and the size. But is it worth it, and what do you actually get? Let's check it out. As mentioned before, this is going to be a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 800 square foot apartment at AVA Belltown, or Ava Belltown. Here we have the hallway, which is actually pretty well lit for some apartments in Seattle. In this case, the yellow coloring actually does work. It actually looks kind of nice. Entering the room itself, you can see that you have plenty of space throughout the living room. This is 800 square feet, so it will offer more space than most apartments in Seattle. And right near the entrance, you actually have a coat closet or a closet for whatever else you want to put in. It's a little bit small, but perfect if you just want to put coats in there or maybe some luggage. Doesn't fit a whole lot, but it's good for what it is. While the space is pretty big, I wish it did have some more lighting included or just a bigger window. The window actually looks out into an interior patio of the apartment complex. This is on technically the first floor of the building, so you can have easy access both inside and outside. Personally, I don't think I would actually use the patio area that much. It feels a little exposed because your neighbors could all stare at you. But if you don't mind your neighbors staring at you, or if you're actually friends with all your neighbors, I'm sure it's a great area to hang out. And here we have a view of the interior from the patio entrance. Again, plenty of space for whatever you want. But I'd actually like to move on to talk about this interesting desk area. I'm not sure if it's actually a desk, but it's kind of a nice inclusion, which I'm sure you could just put a monitor here or really whatever you want. I've never seen something quite like it. If you know what it is, let me know, but I thought it was a nice touch to have. You also have a washer and dryer in the unit with some extra storage space, probably mostly just for cleaning material. And the kitchen itself. The kitchen gives plenty of countertop space, although I'm not the biggest fan of the darker appliances and the coloring of the cabinets. The cherry wood color is alright, but considering that this place isn't super well lit, I wish it had brighter cabinets. You also get an electric coil stove, which I think is a step up from just a base electric stove. At least if you spill something on it, you could still, for the most part, clean it up. Otherwise, I don't have much to say about the kitchen. There's nothing too unique about it. It gives you everything that you need. The only thing that I don't like is just the color palette. You also get a pretty standard bathroom in this unit. Again, there isn't much to say about it. I wish they used a different color other than that cherry wood, but that's just a personal preference and maybe some people like it. Also, the bedroom itself is large enough to fit a queen size bed or a king size bed, or really whatever size you want. It's carpeted, which I actually prefer to have a non-carpeted floor, but I know that some people like that and it gives a more cozy feeling. While recording this video, I just wanted to record some of my live reactions to the room. Well, there's no light in here, but if there was a light in here, I'm sure it would look great. It is nice though that they give you a pretty big closet space. There's not a lot of racks in here, so they don't give too much space to actually store things on top, but if you don't mind stacking boxes, I think this could work out. The bedroom itself, because it is on the first floor, doesn't have too much of a view, but that's fine because you still have access to the patio area from your floor. If I had to sum up my thoughts of this place, while it does give plenty of space, it could use a little more lighting and maybe a change to the color palette just to make it a little bit brighter inside. Having patio access, while not the biggest bonus for me, it could be something great for somebody else who doesn't mind hanging out in a public area, and if you know your neighbors, it's probably a great space. Overall though, I will admit I love the neighborhood that the building's in, and for $2,200, getting 800 square feet near downtown Seattle is a pretty great deal. So overall, I hope you enjoyed the video. In my opinion, while the apartment did have plenty of space, I would have liked a little bit more light, but then for what you get and for the neighborhood, I think it's overall a pretty good deal. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment down below what you'd like to see in the future. I upload every Sunday and love to do videos about Seattle. And with that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.